G'day everyone, Be Asian Dad here. Today I'm going to give you a top tip that's hidden away in the iPhone, and it's going to make your life so much easier. You're going to ask me what is that? Well, what do we use every day more than likely? Passwords. So if you haven't got a password manager already, which I will review a few, and I'll put the link in the description below when it was made available. There's also the iCloud keychain. Now that's another little topic itself, and I'll probably do another video on that one there, but that's only very useful if you've got an Apple phone with a Mac. So if you've got an Apple phone with Windows, it's not that great. So this tip is fantastic for you. I have clients who keep their passwords in little notebooks or put it in documents that's so easy to be accessible that actually is easy to read. So this tip is fantastic for everyday use. So let's get down to it. Go to your Notes app first and then create a new note. You can type in anything for the time being. You can change it later anyway. So after you type in something, on the very top right hand corner there's a little sharing button, which is the square with the arrow on it, and you'll find on the contextual menu down the bottom here you'll see lock note. Very cool. Hit that little button. Now because I've already created a password for my phone, I can't really undo it. Yours will ask you for a password. Now that will then create a password for this note itself, so good to make it very secure, that password. I'm going to just use my fingerprint for this one here, and basically it now locks note itself is password protected, and you'll see that by the padlock on the top right hand corner. At the moment it's currently unlocked, so if I go back you'll also see on the notes itself it is also unlocked. There's a little padlock that says unlock. So once you go into it, if you want to lock it, go to the padlock on the top right hand corner, select it. Now it'll lock the file itself. And if you go back to the main page itself or the notes, you'll see next to the note itself will have a padlock that's locked. Now you can actually change the password of the note. You just scroll in the settings. Under settings, scroll until you find notes. In notes you'll find passwords in the viewing section. Click on that, and this is where you can actually change that password, or you can reset that. Now if you reset that password, you do need your Apple password to reset it, and it resets all password lock notes. You can also use your fingerprint, which is what I've actually turned on, so it makes it easy for myself, and turn that feature off, and that means that the notes will need password type to actually unlock it. That means this file here that's lockable is very good for you can actually type in your passwords in a nice little way here, which you can actually lock and unlock, and it makes it easy because you can use your fingerprint itself. Now it's not most secure way of saving your password, but it's a heck of a lot better than just writing in a notepad or putting it into a document in the computer or email that's in plain text. At least this is in a little bit of a more secure fashion where you can lock it and unlock it. If you use a password manager or other methods to remember your password, comment below. Love to hear what they are. And if you enjoyed this video or find this was very helpful to you, give it a like, and of course remember, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, to hitting that subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner, just to keep yourself up to date with my videos. I do try to upload every Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays. And as always, remember, imperfections in life makes it beautiful and interesting. I'll see you in the next video.